this red car has red things on the scanner. The indicator don't work. We'll have to have a look, won't we? But I thought I'd show you some of the stuff that we were getting involved in. I'm so far behind on the videos. I'm just having to do short ones. Right, let's get on, otherwise it never fix itself, will it? Okay, saga with the Porsche. Here we go in. Wiring diagrams, what the hell are they? Anyway, we've taken a reference off this one and a reference off this one, and we've put it on the oscilloscope, and this one shows 12 volts and an earth, and this is what a good one looks like. Let's put a bit of voltage on there, make it nice. Still, so what's happening is the voltage drops, which means the indicator's not flashing, off, on. So that's what mine's meant to be looking like. This one shows an earth, and it's only showing, I don't know, what's that, say 0.5 volts, half a volt, that's all it's got. The wiring diagrams and stuff like that, what do you need that for? I wish we had. So what we've done is we've got the old 3000 and we've put it into there, followed it over, followed it all the way down there, and eventually we get into the body control module, and I've managed to get it to this wire there, and so the signal I actually get at the actual indicator and the signal I get at the body control module is the same. I want to actually condemn the body control module, but the first thing I've got to do is I've got to get it out and it's on the pins, or the pins haven't opened up or anything like that. So that's my job for tomorrow, getting those pins in, making sure they're all fine. But I mean, she's quite flash really, isn't she? She's quite a, I mean, it's not good for me. I mean, flipping too small. But they are nice to drive, but no. But anyway, it keeps me out of trouble, doesn't it? Okay, getting to it. Which you got to remove this out the way, and what you've got to do is you've got to press that in, and then you can pull this out, and then that makes that access to that body control module look a lot nicer now. Do like the Porsche stuff. I mean, you know what I mean, it's simple, it ain't got a lot to it, and it ain't got all the fancy stuff. Everyone wants to feel the pain, the driving and the speeding. So right, let's get that body control module out. I'm looking a bit more happier now. Okay, let's go. Okay, and the body control module's out. I'll tell you what, they just do these little simple things to remove stuff, but you have to look at it to see if you can find it. And to get the body control module out, after you've got the relay section out, they've got the same system as that. And what you do is just press that down, and then you can pull the body control module out, and there she is. There she is. And the problem one we've got is this one. So let's have a look, see if we got any green or anything like that. As I say, what I'll do is I'm going to be load testing that line to make sure that let's have a little look in there. Is there anything green or anything horrible? No, I don't see nothing green or horrible. I don't see nothing there either. I mean, this looks fairly dry, looks fairly nice as well, so I'm going to say this has got a body control module fault. But what we're going to do before we condemn it is we're going to load test this, and we're going to send the power down here to see if it lights up the actual indicator. But if you tell this to actually do an actuator test, it doesn't do that either. So I think it's this. That's the problem, and it's not doing as it's told. All good fun, isn't it, really? Right, let's do some testing before I condemn it. Okay, I've tried the terminal test and it's not loose, it's tight, so that's not the problem. So what I've got to do now is load it and just see if I can light up the actual the light the other side. Right, let's see what's going on. Okay, before we actually condemn this body control module, I've gone into the pin that goes to the indicator. So what we're going to be doing is testing the earth side, and we're going to be testing the power side to here. Okay, I'll also tell you the reason why after. So we're going all the way across here, which is bypassing the wires. So it's actually not bypassing the wires, it's actually continuity of the wires to here, and the earth is actually going to the car's earth. So what we're going to do is we're going to test it. Ready? And there we go. So that tells us now we've got full continuity. We've loaded it. We know, well, we saw the oscilloscope, so we saw the load problem there, wasn't there, because it dropped when we put the light back in. Okay, so, and you're saying, well, hold on, Trev, how could it be? It possibly might not be the body control module. And this is my scenario on this one. When I first plugged into it, okay, there's actuations tests for the body control module. Okay, so what that does is it eliminates the switch, all the wiring to the body control module. Okay, so what that does is, if the actual light flashes, then it's not going to be the body control module, because the body control module is doing as it's told. It's saying, look, put the light on, and it's doing it. Which then my problem is going to be from the body control module to here. Okay, but I've told the body control module to put that indicator light on, and the indicator light didn't go on. So the only thing it can be is that. So that's what we need, a new body control module to fix that light. Hopefully you enjoyed that one and it makes sense. As I say, trying to work, use your brains, and as I say, it'd be nice to have a wiring diagram, wouldn't it? But sometimes when the going gets tough, the tough's got to get going, and you've got to make your own scenario to try and get to the solution of the problem, because this is an MOT failure, isn't it? All this is just a very large paperweight sitting on someone's drive until someone fixes it. Okay, we've got the new body control module fitted, and we're just about to program it in. We're going to see, actually I'm going to show you. Oh, let's go and have a look, shall we? And there's Dan setting it up, so we can actually get it all programmed. He's not on the phone doing something else, he is working. Where am I doing? And there it is. So we're just going to get it all programmed in now, and it'll be another one. Sayonara, bye bye, goodbye, job done. Okay, everyone have a good day. I'll finish this one off now. Here, Dan, give him a wave. That's it, give him a wave. See you later.